Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add a link into your LinkedIn profile. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing that we should do right now is to jump into your LinkedIn profile. As you can see, open your LinkedIn, then go to view profile. Then what you should do right now is to click on this pencil icon right here, then scroll down till you find this option right here, which is called edit custom button. Click on it and you will have here another option which is called premium custom button. All you have to do is to simply copy the link, then put it inside this box right here, then click on save and make sure that you have this option on increase button visibility. But this method will be only useful if you have LinkedIn Premium. But let's say that you do not have LinkedIn Premium. All you have to do right now is to simply click on this icon again, then go down till you find edit button, and instead of choosing the third option, all you have to do right now is to simply click on link. Then what you're gonna do is to copy the link that you want. So I'm gonna now link my Behance, for example, then click on this icon right here, and here you should add an emoji in order to attract the viewer. So let's say that I'm gonna put this emoji right here, then I'm gonna type my Behance, for example. Then after that, click on save. And there, as you can see, after we refresh our page, you will have here this option right here, which looks like the premium button. But when you actually add a post, this link won't be visible on the post from the outside. But if someone is interested on your profile, he will get into your profile, then see the link, as you can see right now. Then when I open this link, it will jump me directly to my Behance. And that is it. I hope this is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.